Hi guys, and thank you so much for joining me. If you are new here, I'm Kat, and on this channel we are talking about all things tech and also how to make money online. I will show you how you can install Android apps on Windows 11. As of February 2022, Android apps are available on Windows 11 but only in the US. If you meet the requirements for Windows 11, then you meet the requirements for Android apps as well. But make sure to check for Windows updates and install any that are available before you go any further. Your Windows 11 PC computer must also have hardware virtualization enabled. Windows 11 runs Android in a virtual machine, which is why this is needed. You can check if your PC has virtualization enabled by going to the Performance tab in the Task Manager. A shortcut to get to the Task Manager is by pressing Ctrl, Shift and Escape all at the same time, and then you open the Task Manager. If hardware virtualization is not enabled, you will likely need to enable Intel VTX in your computer's BIOS. If your system has an AMD chip instead, look for AMD-V in the BIOS settings screen. Next, you need to make sure that you are on the latest version of the Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open Microsoft Store and update all the apps on the library page. If all of those things check out, then you are ready to proceed. If you installed some updates to get to this point, it's a good idea to restart your PC now before we go any further. So let's see how to install Android apps in Windows 11. The first thing to do is open the Microsoft Store. If it's not already pinned to the taskbar at the bottom, open the Start menu and type Microsoft Store. In the store, do a search for Amazon App Store. When you found it, click Install to continue. A pop-up will appear on the screen and guide you through the setup process. Click Setup and continue through the steps to download the App Store. The last step will be to restart your PC, so you need to restart your computer. After the restart, the Amazon App Store may automatically open. However, if it doesn't, you can still find it in the Start menu apps list. The first thing you'll need to do is sign into your Amazon account, or if you don't have one, you will need to create an account. Once you are in it, it works just like any other app store you've used. You can browse through suggestions or search for anything. Either way, just select an app to install. Click Install on the app information page. The app will download and then install, and when it's finished, you can click Open. And basically, that's it. You just installed your first Android app in Windows 11. The Android apps can be found in the Start menu just like Windows apps. They can even be pinned to the taskbar on the bottom just like any other regular apps. But I know that in this video we covered how to use Amazon App Store to get Android apps on your computer on Windows 11, but how about having Android apps which are not available on the Amazon App Store? So I'm here to tell you, don't worry about that, because you can sideload apps just like on Android. There is also a way to install the Google Play Store on Windows 11, enabling access to a much wider selection of Android apps. But I will show you exactly how to do that in our next video. I really hope that this video helped you understand how you can install Android apps on your Windows 11 on PC. If you think that the video was helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button and make sure that your notification bell is turned on so you are notified of any new videos I upload. For now, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.